Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite Home Cinema 8350 projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. Today we're checking out a projector that has stood the test of time and continues to impress home theater enthusiasts. The Epson Home Cinema 8350 proves that even older models can deliver cinematic performance with style and reliability. Starting with the design, it's minimalistic and refined. The clean white body and subtle curves allow it to blend seamlessly into any living room setup. It doesn't call attention to itself, but the moment it powers on, the real magic begins on your screen. Moving on to image quality, the 8350 offers full HD 1080p resolution, producing crisp and detailed visuals. The brightness is rated at 2000 lumens, and with a contrast ratio up to 50,000 to 1, dark scenes come alive with depth while bright highlights pop without washing out. Every movie, TV show, or gaming session feels vivid and immersive, bringing cinematic clarity into your home. Motion handling is impressive for its class. Fast-paced action sequences, sports, and gaming remain smooth without noticeable blur or lag. This projector ensures every frame is delivered fluidly, so you don't miss critical details during intense scenes. Lens shift is another standout feature. Both horizontal and vertical adjustments let you position the projector off-center without compromising image alignment. This makes setup flexible and much easier compared to projectors without this capability. Connectivity is straightforward. Multiple HDMI ports allow you to plug in streaming sticks, gaming consoles, or Blu-ray players. Legacy inputs are also included for older devices. The fan operates quietly in the background, ensuring the focus stays on the screen rather than background noise. The 8350 employs 3 LCD technology, meaning colors are rich and accurate with no rainbow effect that can appear on some DLP projectors. Every scene is rendered faithfully, whether it's a colorful animated movie or a dark thriller. One of the strengths of this projector is that it emphasizes performance over flashy features. There are no built-in apps or smart streaming options, which might sound limiting but keeps the experience simple and reliable. Plug in your device, dim the lights, and enjoy a true cinematic experience without unnecessary distractions. Despite being an older model, the Epson PowerLite 8350 still delivers excellent value. Its combination of full HD clarity, high contrast, smooth motion, and lens shift flexibility makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater without spending a fortune. For movie nights, sports, gaming, or binge-watching your favorite shows, this projector delivers a cinematic feel that rivals more expensive modern models. Reliability, performance, and immersive visuals are what it's built on, and it continues to deliver years after its release. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite Home Cinema 8350 projector, please visit the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth tech reviews coming your way. Your home theater experience is about to get a major upgrade.